Pete here with the Small Business Resource Center. I just wanted to go over how to apply for $10,000 forgivable grant for small business and self-employed people. This may include if you have Uber or other stuff, you're considered self-employed. So you want to watch the whole video. Sorry, might have to turn off the phone. You may want to watch the whole video because I spent a lot of time on the phone and did a lot of research to get this information. I was the 122 caller on hold. But anyways, there's a paper way to do this. I do not recommend it, but if you do want to do it, go for it. And the reason why is because I spent all morning trying to apply by paper and upload it. So if you look at this here, I'm going to have all the links, but there's a disaster loan program, and it talks about applying if you're a business and applying if you're a personal sole proprietor. Sole proprietor can be an LLC, one person managed, like a real estate agent or anything like that. The thing here is it says to call to get a FEMA number. You do not have to do that. So I did that. You don't have to do it. It actually says don't do it. You don't have to because this COVID-19, they have waived that requirement. Do not do that. If you are applying and you click the link, that'll take you to this page. This page has all the forms. There is a business loan form, sole proprietor form, or single member LLC. So you can go to those forms. Then you can keep calling me or texting me, or you don't do that. Also, the additional forms, if you're a small business, are all right here. Once you finish those forms, you can upload them or mail them in. The reason why I would not do these, or if you're a single member LLC, you can apply here. The reason why I would not do that is because the online application, here is the one form. Fill it out, blah, blah, blah. Oh no. Fill it out and you'll get all this information here. Very, very straightforward if you ask me, if you're a single member. Print it out, sign it, date it. Then you have to get the tax authorization form. For a small business owner, the form's a little bit more complicated and all the forms there are listed. But when you go on this website, which the link will be in the description, this will be the first link in the video, by the way. It's very streamlined. You have to verify your business. So I'm going to click here. Whether it's a nonprofit or what have you, just verify your business. Then you have to verify all this information. Read it. Don't just check it. Don't say this guy on YouTube told me to check all these. If you do not fit into this, you're not supposed to be applying. Okay. And then put your business name, put the trade name, put the social or the EIN. Keep in mind, if you don't do this right, it won't accept it. That's not my information, by the way, so don't decide you're going to hack me or whatever. If you're a nonprofit or a franchise, you have to put your gross revenue, cost of goods sold. I'm not really sure what to do here if you did not file your taxes, by the way, because it does ask you what your costs of good are. If you don't know that yet, I don't know how you're going to put that in. So other information that you want to put, your primary address, your primary city, your primary state, your zip, your business phone, email address, when you established your business, business activity, whatever you do, detailed business, owner information here, office, percent ownership, email address, social security number, date of birth, must be current, excuse me. Obviously, I'm putting in wrong information, so we can get this application. Place verse, Viva Las Vegas. You can do whatever you want here, but obviously put your correct information. If you're a citizen, your address. Getting closer to the end, folks. Okay. Oh, is this business owned by another entity? If you're owned by another entity, you have to disclose that. Okay. And now you have to put in if you've had any problems, criminal offenses, etc., or you cannot receive grants currently. Somebody else help you fill this out. You put that here. And I would like to be considered for advance up to $10,000. From my understanding, that gives you a $10,000 grant that you do not have to pay back. Put your bank name, or if you want, message me. I'll give you my account number. Thank you. Just kidding. All right. And then you put the bank information, and then I hereby submit. Hit next. And then when you're done, review the information, call, capture, and submit. Obviously, I'm not going to submit. This is the quickest and easiest way to submit this for a business or sole proprietorship or nonprofit. If you do the paper forms, I've been filling them out all morning. If you do the long forms, I don't recommend it because the long forms basically make you fill out all this financial information. All right, do whateve you want. Pete Gustis, Small Business Resource Center. Like, share, subscribe. God bless.